Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Good morning.
Lily girl. Lily girl. Get there.
Hello. Hello.
What's wrong with your car, huh?
Oh, I was just paying him for fixing it.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it has things wrong with it, but I'm good at the moment.
All right.
I love you.
That was pretty, ain't it? That red and purple one?
I love you. Hello.
You want me to get the door shut?
You could charge people to come see these. Hello. What was that? Good morning. Hello. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. What? Good morning. Good morning. Where are you going? Pretty bird? They're just talking away. Oh. Are you eating? Is that yummy? Hello. I love you. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. I love you. You guys are so cool. You're so cool. What's that? Hello. Hello. Let's see. Hello. You guys are pretty. You match. Hello. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Oh, look at that one. Hello.
Some fuckers in there screaming.
They're like, let me
The big
out.
one out yet.
No,
The big one's over this kid.
the big one.
Yeah, he's like 3
These
foot
are
long.
all the small ones.
Yeah.
You have a really cool cage. Hi. You're lucky. Hello.
Where, Grippy? No, go ahead. Yep.
Hello. Hello.
We got that one there. You can see his whole chest bone. You can see almost every bone that he had.
Looks really good
Yeah.
now.
Oh yeah.
Are you all
Oh,
better?
Griffey. Huh?
Hello.
That's Griffey.
Hi, Grippy.
But it will be a little bit before I get back.
Hi.
Yeah,
Hello. I love you. Good morning. What are you doing? What are you doing, Griffey?
He's gonna walk over in a minute. Show me what else is there. Well, don't forget to take the Cadillac emblem. Yeah, right. Well, if you touch up, right? The car ain't worth a shit anyway. Shit.
Sorry. Hello.
Oh yeah, I gotta make you one too. I gotta make some shells for it.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I gotta go bye-bye. See you later. I love you. Bye-bye. Good morning. Goodbye. Good morning. See you later. Hello. Are you dancing? Are you dancing?
No, fuck no.
Pretty bird.
So you wanted the refrigerator and the heater, right? No. Just fucking burn it.
Bye-bye. I love you. See you later. Goodbye. See you later. Oh wow, your feathers are cool. You like to move your feathers?